Jury selection is now complete in former President Donald Trump's high-profile hush money criminal trial.
Opening statements are set to happen on Monday in New York City in what is the first criminal trial of a former president. KCAU-9's Washington correspondent Hannah Brandt has the very latest in our top story tonight at 10.
The jury selection process was long and exhaustive, but now that it's over, it clears the way for the court to move forward with arguments and testimony, which are expected to be pretty dramatic. As his trial moves forward, the former president is fuming.
This is a rigged trial.
This week, the court selected 12 jurors and 6 alternates. George Washington University law professor Steven Salzberg says the process focused on finding people who can be fair and impartial.
Both sides had a chance to strike jurors they didn't like, and we ended up with what we needed.
Prosecutors say Trump participated in an illegal hush money scheme to cover up an alleged affair with an adult film star. And on Monday, lawyers from both sides will have the chance to present their opening statements to the jury.
It's a much faster process than a lot of people predicted.
But former President Trump expressed frustration that the trial is keeping him off the campaign trail.
I'm sitting in a courthouse all day long. This is going on for the week. And this will go on for another 4 or 5 weeks, and it's very unfair.
He also complained about a gag order from the judge that bars him from publicly criticizing witnesses.
The gag order has to come off. I should be allowed to speak.
The prosecution says he's violated that gag order, pointing to his Truth Social post lashing out at his former lawyer Michael Cohen and adult film star Stormy Daniels, 2 key witnesses in the case.
Some of the things that defendant Trump has already said, I think, would have gotten an ordinary defendant held in contempt of court.
The judge set a hearing for next week to decide whether or not Trump did violate the gag order and to decide whether to fine him over it. In Washington, I'm Hannah Brandt.